You can help me by being nice.
I'm not going to play your game. How can I take your hand out of your pocket? You're making me uncomfortable.
You need to make a report.
Do not point at me.
What are you going to do?
Do you understand me?
This is a freedom of speech.
You don't point.
First Amendment, bro.
First Amendment doesn't.
Hey, bro, you're not entitled to that, bro. You're not entitled to.
Doesn't mean you take your hand.
You're not entitled to that, bro.
In an aggressive manner. Man, you are a clown.
I'm not a clown. You're acting like a clown, especially in the position.
Me again and see what happens.
All right, guys, once again, another video was sent to me, another new channel. You guys are going to want to go subscribe. I'm going to read what he wrote in his description. On the 25th of May, the year 2022, I attempted to file a report regarding a 911 call made by a person unknown to me on the 23rd of May, which resulted in a lengthy and aggressive standoff with several armed officers at my residence. Speaking to Chief Sharp, he lied about making contact with the complainant. The report states that the caller did not sound distressed and immediately hung up on the dispatcher, that several failed attempts were made to reconnect, but the caller had provided a false name, phone number, and address. The complainant had alleged that a John Sanchez was holding a Clarissa Garcia at gunpoint against her will. The officers made contact with me and my significant other while she was at work, confirming that neither of us were John Sanchez or Clarissa Garcia. It is my opinion that Chief Sharp's behavior is unbecoming of an officer and that he was derelict in his duty, failing to investigate the matter to address my grievance. He was completely apathetic and failed to acknowledge their erroneous actions. Therefore, in exhibiting a wanton disregard for the safety of its citizens and the public at large, I believe that the town of Bernalillo's police department is incompetent to handle these types of situations and deserve a referral to the New Mexico Department of Safety, Professional Standards Internal Affairs Division. He goes on to leave some information. Jack Torr is the mayor. He leaves the email and phone number. Chief of Police is Broderick Sharp, and he leaves his phone number as well. I'll put all of that in the description for you guys. You guys check out this video. Check out how this chief is acting. Go subscribe to Ronnie John. Let's blow up his numbers. Let's let him know that he's not alone. From California to New Mexico, we send our support. I'll see you guys there. Here's the video.
How you doing?
All right, yourself?
Good, good. Can I help you?
Can I get your name and that badge number?
Chief Sharp.
Sharp, Mr. Sharp. What's your badge number, sir?
I'm the chief.
You're the chief's?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there's no badge number for
I'm
the chief?
How can I help you? Because you're taking pictures, you have your phone. What can I help you with, sir?
Yeah, I'm trying to identify who I'm speaking with so I can have an objective record created for myself.
How can I help you?
Okay, Chief, you've got to set an example, and I'm just asking you to identify yourself by your badge number.
I just told you I'm the chief. I don't have a badge number. What would you like?
You're treating the public with disdain. You're treating me with disdain.
What would you like?
I'm here to make a police report, and you're treating me with you're very rude.
How can I help you?
You can help me by being nice.
I'm not going to play your game. How can I take your hand out of your pocket? You're making me uncomfortable with your hand.
Do you have training? You have a gun on you.
Please take your hand out of your pocket. It's an officer safety issue. Please take your hand out of your pocket. I'm asking you nicely.
I'm asking you to identify you nicely.
Please take your hand out of your pocket, sir.
I'm not threatening you.
You are.
I'm even back. Look.
Now you're fine. How can I help you?
All
what
right.
would you like a police report for?
You guys sent a SWAT team over to my house on the 23rd of May, and I want to make a police report about it.
We don't have a SWAT team.
You guys had an armed response to my house.
What is your house? Who are you?
I need to make a police report. Can we start that process?
Who are you and what do you need?
Give me the police report form and we'll start.
That's not how it works. You give us notes and we make a police report. What is your problem?
Your officers need training.
Do me a favor and don't point at me.
Your officers need training.
All right.
Okay.
Please don't walk up behind me.
Hey, sir.
Please do not.
If you're scared, you should find another career.
Please do not walk up behind me.
You're refusing to take my police report.
I'm going to have an officer. Please back up and don't point at me.
You need to make a report.
Do not point at me.
What are you going to do?
Do you understand me?
This is a freedom of speech.
You don't point.
First Amendment, bro.
First Amendment doesn't.
Hey, bro, you're not entitled to that, bro. You're not entitled to.
Doesn't mean you take your hand.
You're not entitled to that, bro.
In an aggressive manner.
I'm not aggressive.
You are.
I'm pointing at the person I'm talking to.
You don't need to point at me. You don't need to walk up behind me.
You obviously don't have the aptitude to be chief. I know you serve at the pleasure of the mayor, bro. You're not an elected official. Obviously,
don't have the common sense.
Do you know what a tyrant is?
Self-awareness.
You know what a tyrant?
Self-awareness.
You know what a tyrant is?
Because self-awareness, you would back up. You wouldn't walk up on a grown man when he turns his back.
I'm a grown man too.
And I walked up on you when you turned your back.
Look how you're yelling. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect.
You don't control anything.
Oh wow, you work for me. You work for me.
I do work for the citizens.
You don't seem like you act like it. You're treating me with disdain. You know what disdain is?
Man, you are a clown.
I'm not a clown. You're acting like a clown, especially in
Walk
the
up behind
position.
me again and see what happens.
Look at you, chief
I
of
gave you
police.
I gave you.
I'm not done talking to you.
And what does that mean? Am I supposed to be scared?
I'm here.
Am I supposed to be
I'm
afraid?
here to make a police report.
Okay, I told you sit down and I will have an officer come and make you a police report. Have a seat.
This is perfect, Mr.
Have
Sharp.
a seat. Please have a seat and I will get you a police report. But don't ever walk up behind me when I turn my back. Don't ever do that. Do you understand that?
That's a coward.
I'm
a
a
coward.
coward?
Yeah, you're a coward.
Call me whatever you want.
You're a coward.
I'm sure you have some other names you'd like to call me too.
No, or are you casting aspersions?
I keep asking you to not walk up
The only
behind me.
racists I know are dark. Don't cast aspersions my way then. If you don't like it, bro. If you don't like it.
Walk up behind me. If you walk up behind me in an aggressive manner, like
Nobody's aggressive, bro. Nobody's aggressive.
Yes, you walk up behind me. You know what? You're getting what you want.
You guys, no.
You're getting
No, I'm not getting what you want. I want a police report.
Have a seat. I'll have some.
What? No wonder your officers suck. Look who's leading them.
All right, guys, here's something we never really talk about. What creates an activist? Guys like me with YouTube channels that will remind you to grab your phones and record and ask questions of your public officials? Or is a new activist created when his civil rights are violated, when the department wants to act like nothing happened? This guy has another video on his channel where he goes to the courthouse and he tries to go inside and record and document because the department where he needs to file the complaint is inside the courthouse. But they're not letting him take his phone to record because of this new judge's order. They're trying to stop us from recording and asking questions. They don't want the people finding out where the corruption lies, where misappropriation of funds go. This is not a sustainable system, and it is no longer a free country if we allow this to happen. That's why it's important that we all go subscribe to Ronnie John's channel. Bad public officials, bad public service in New Mexico is what created a new activist in Ronnie John. Not myself, but I am here to help. So if you guys have any videos that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. If you want to stay anonymous, we can do that for you too. We will not give up our sources, no matter what. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go subscribe, Ronnie John. I'll see you guys over there. Have a blessed day.
I want to give a huge shout out and a thank you to San Joaquin Valley Transparency for sending everybody my way. That was really cool. I really appreciate it, brother.
This is a special shout out going to San Joaquin Valley Transparency from 2 Tiers, Yaqui Nation, Stolen Land Accountability, San Diego, California. First law of the land. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Oh.
I'd like to appreciate some of the shout outs that I got. I think San Joaquin Valley. I do really appreciate some of the good comments. I've actually received a lot of good comments.
What's going on, man? How's it going?
How you doing?
Good. Haven't seen you since over there when you guys were here with San Joaquin.
Yep.
That was you, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Good deal. Everything going good for you?
I'm working on it.
All right, man. Anything you need?
Not right now.
All right, bro. Have a great night.
You too.
All right.